People living in snowy areas have a unique way of spending their lives. Look, this person takes empty trays, fills them with water, and places them outside the camp. The next day, the trays were filled with frozen snow. Next, he removes all the plates. Then, he connects each plate in a distinctive manner, creating a magnificent structure. He even divides some of the plates into two parts. After putting a considerable effort, he crafts a large and beautiful box from the snow plates. He then places vegetables and fresh fruits into this box, ensuring they stay fresh and undamaged for a long time.